Hello class 11th and 12th, welcome to my chemistry class. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about how to find out the equivalent weight of a given compound. So this was one of the question which was asked by one of my student. So that is a answer what I am going to give through my video. So let us see how can we prepare or how can I explain you to find out the equivalent weight of H3PO4 in the given equation. So we have an equation H3PO4 plus 3NaOH gives rise to Na3PO4 plus 3H2O. So in this reaction, let us see how to find out this equivalent weight. So we already knew that we have a formula to find out the equivalent weight, that is equivalent weight is equals to molecular weight divided by N factor. So this molecular weight can be found out by using a periodic table, and this N factor is nothing but it is the number of hydrogen ions or OH minus ions that can be replaced within the reaction. So here we have the reaction where NaOH is a strong base, this is acidic in nature, and we have the formation of one salt as a product along with that water. So this is a neutralization reaction. So since in this neutralization reaction, we need to find out the equivalent weight of H3PO4, which is an acid. So since I am considering acid, so I will be counting only the number of H plus ions that are replaced for the formation of the product in the given reaction. So firstly, if you see here H3PO4, so it is going to be dissociated as 3 H plus ions and PO4 minus ions. And this NaOH, it is dissociated into 3 Na plus and 3 OH minus ions. And finally, how this product, salt formation takes place here is, we have 3 H plus ions and we have 3 OH minus ions. These both combines together to form 3 H2O. And then we have 3 Na plus ions and PO4 minus ions. So these will be combined together to form Na3PO4, which is a formation of result. That is a result of formation of salt. Okay. So here how we find out the equivalent weight is, so molecular weight of H3PO4 if we find out. So hydrogens we have 3 into its mass will be the 1. Then phosphorus, since its atomic number is 15, its mass is 31. And then we have 4 oxygens, its mass will be the 16. Then finally if you find out, you will get 98. So 98 is the molecular weight of the H3PO4. Then what about this N factor? So here if you observe in this reaction, so the 3 hydrogen ions are replaced with 3 sodium ions. So N factor is taken as 3. So we can find out the equivalent weight as molecular weight by N factor. So the molecular weight is 98 of this H3PO4 and its N factor is taken as 3. Then your answer will be 32.66. So in this way we find out molecular weight for a given compound. So this is about the molecular weight of H3PO4 in the given reaction. I hope you all understood my class. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video session.